Do you enjoy drawing or painting in your free time?
To be honest, I'm not exactly the next Picasso. I used to dabble in sketching a bit when I was younger, but these days I mostly stick to digital stuff or just doodling during meetings to stay focused.
Did you have art classes when you were a child at school?
Yeah, we had them pretty much every week throughout primary school. I remember it being the one time of the day where we could actually make a mess and not get into trouble for it, which was great.
Do you think it is important for children to learn how to draw?
Definitely. I think it's a brilliant way for kids to express themselves before they've fully mastered language. It really helps with their fine motor skills and just gives them a bit of a creative outlet.
Have you ever visited a famous art gallery or museum?
I have, actually. I visited a few major galleries back when I was traveling. While I'm not a massive art buff, there's something quite powerful about seeing a world-famous painting in person rather than just on a screen.
Is there a creative talent you wish you had?
I've always envied people who are gifted at playing musical instruments like the piano or guitar. I think being able to just sit down and play a piece of music from memory would be such a cool skill to have.
What is your favorite way to relax after a very busy day?
Usually, I just need to switch off completely. I'll often put on a podcast or some music and just lounge on the sofa for a bit. It helps me decompress and forget about whatever happened at work.
Do you prefer spending your weekends indoors or outdoors?
It really depends on the weather, but I'm generally more of an outdoorsy person. I find that getting some fresh air and a bit of a change of scenery does wonders for my mood after being stuck in an office all week.
Are you the kind of person who likes to try new hobbies often?
I'd say I'm fairly adventurous when it comes to hobbies. I'm always keen to give something new a go, even if I don't end up sticking with it for long. I think it's just fun to keep learning new things.
Do you think weekends are more important now than they were in the past?
I'd say they're definitely more essential these days. Since most of us are always on because of our phones and constant notifications, it's getting harder to actually switch off. Having that dedicated time to just unplug and recharge isn't just a luxury anymore. It's pretty much a necessity for staying sane.
What is a popular leisure activity for people in your country?
In my experience, people here are obsessed with food and night markets. Spending an evening wandering around, trying different snacks, and just soaking up the atmosphere is a pretty standard way to spend a Friday night.
Do you enjoy drawing or painting in your free time? Did you have art classes when you were a child at school? Do you think it is important for children to learn how to draw? Have you ever visited a famous art gallery or museum? Is there a creative talent you wish you had? What is your favorite way to relax after a very busy day? Do you prefer spending your weekends indoors or outdoors? Are you the kind of person who likes to try new hobbies often? Do you think weekends are more important now than they were in the past? What is a popular leisure activity for people in your country? Well done! See you in our next video.